Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2018 model Honda CR-V, SX, top of the line. All-wheel drive, 1.6-liter turbo diesel engine, automatic transmission, 36,000 kilometers mileage, complete casa maintenance record, 7-seater, ending plate 5, all-wheel drive, push start button, keyless entry, airbags, dual front, sides and curtains, touch screen head unit, panoramic sunroof, leather and power seats, complete set of tools jack and spare tire. Cash price, 1,278,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 255,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage and comprehensive insurance. (2023) model Hyundai Stargazer GLS, top of the line, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 11,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, good condition, ending plate 3, drive modes, eco, normal, sport, and smart, push start, keyless entry, leather seats, all stock, all original, dual airbag, 8-inch infotainment, reverse camera, rear parking sensors, stability control, crash sensor, hill start assist, complete set of tools jack and spare tire. Cash price, 898,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 179,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage and comprehensive insurance. (2022) model Ford Everest Sport, 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine, automatic transmission, 17,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, very good condition, 7-seater SUV, ending plate 6, all power, all stock, all original, push start, keyless entry, leather seats, power seats, dual front, curtain and side airbags, touch screen head unit, complete set of tools jack and spare tire. Cash price, 1,448,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 279,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage and comprehensive insurance. 2024 model Suzuki Dzire GL Plus, AGS variant, 1.2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 2,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, almost brand new condition, ending plate 4, all power, dual airbag, touchscreen head unit, GPS navigation system, complete set of tools, jack and spare tire, cash price, 558,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 111,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage and comprehensive insurance. (2019 model Hyundai Santa Fe GLS, 2.2-liter CRDI diesel engine, automatic transmission, 43,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, good condition, 7-seater SUV, ending plate 9, all stock and original, touchscreen head unit, leather and power seats, power back door, back sensor with HD 360 degrees camera, complete set of tools, jack and spare tire, cash price, 1,258,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 251,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage and comprehensive insurance. (2022 model MGHS Trophy, 1.5-liter turbo gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 12,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, good condition, ending plate 8, driving modes, Eco, Normal, Sport and Super Sport, keyless entry and push start, all power, all stock, infotainment head unit, panoramic sunroof, leather and power seats, complete set of tools, jack at spare tire, cash price, 798,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 159,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage and comprehensive insurance. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.